Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again. And today, I just want to scream. I need to vent. We need to chat about my hair because I can't. So, I have had my hair out for about, I would say it's been chilling out for a good almost 2 weeks now, and that means I actually have not moisturized my hair because I don't know about you, but I actually find it very difficult to moisturize my hair when it's out because I actually don't know how people do that. And I know it's very strange because I own an entire natural hair channel, but I don't know how to treat my hair when it's out and about like this. I really truly do not, and you guys know this. My oldies know that the only way I actually moisturize my hair and take care of my hair and maintain my hair is only if it's when it's in twist. I actually know what I'm doing, but when it's not in twist, I really don't know. So I am actually here to open up the comment section so you guys can teach me how you guys do it, for those who actually wear their hair out on a regular, because I don't know, it feels weird. I like how my hair feels when I come out of the shower, but after that I'm just like, I really don't know what to do with it. So all I do is just I fluff it out and move on with my day. Really truly speaking, I don't moisturize it because I feel like all the products I'm gonna be putting in my hair are gonna go on my pillow. I don't know why I believe that way because my hair's out like this, but trust me and believe me when I say that I treat my hair differently from when it is in twists. Okay, like trust me, it's just, and I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. So you guys must teach me in the comment section, how do you moisturize your hair when it's out like this, and do your products end up on your pillow? Is it a different moisturizing routine to your when you have a protective style or low manipulation hairstyle? I don't know. You guys must let me know in the comment section. Please, 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 please do. I wanted to moisturize my hair tonight. I'm about to go shower after this video. I thought I should just come up here and just tell you guys my predicaments, my dilemma, my drama, because I don't know how to take care of my hair when it's out. But besides all of that, I have been loving not always creating natural hair content for you guys. This is just me being honest. I also, yeah, I know the background is a bit different. Sorry, I feel like I didn't even say yes, the background is a bit different. We'll get into that a bit later in life. But I actually enjoy just coming randomly in front of the camera, having unplanned content and just chit-chatting with you guys. I actually do enjoy it very much. I do miss, my oldies know that this was kind of almost similar to my old background. I miss it. I love it. I feel like it has a lot of character. I feel like it has a lot of personality. It does define a lot of me, truly speaking. I love plants. I like reading. I haven't finished a book in the longest of time, but I'm almost there. I am actually reading The Untethered Soul. I can't remember by who, but I will like just try to pop it up here somewhere. It's an amazing book. I've been loving it. I'm left with I think 3 chapters and I want to finish it, and then I want to read Atomic Habits because everyone is talking about Atomic Habits. Also, if you have some good reads, drop them in the comment section. Don't be shy. This is the year we mature. Okay, we mature by taking control of certain things, like by the words that we use when we are talking to people, how we react to certain situations. We are being matured about it. We are being careful with how we move. We are being strategic with how we are making decisions because we are understanding that each decision kind of adds on to the bigger picture. So what you don't want to do is make like bad mistakes and then not getting what you want at the end because you are not able to make smaller decisions that actually contribute to the bigger picture. So I think maybe reading Atomic Habits, hence why I want to read it, will help me learn how to build good habits for myself, habits that are effective, habits that actually contribute to my goals for this year. One of the other goals, actually, now that I'm talking about goals, is that I actually just want to reach about 15k this year. I am setting the bar at a realistic measure. I feel like this is a realistic goal. I think it's something I can reach. I mean, I'm only on 7,700 right now, and I think maybe if I switch up my content and attract new viewers, I almost said new customers, no, new viewers, then I guess that will contribute to my numbers. And yeah, not just that, but I did mention, you guys, like, you know, I want to expand a bit. Don't want to always talk about natural hair. It's not just what I'm made of, you know. I mean, it's a big part of me. I love it. Also, some people sometimes ask me if I actually shape my hair. I don't. It just grows out like this out of my scalp. The back will always be shorter than the front. The front is like where all the goodness happens. So yeah, so that's why I want to actually read, and that's one of my goals, is to reach about 15k by December. I do want to let you guys in on a lot of things that I'm going to be doing this year. I feel like I'm going to use the internet like Will Smith uses it, kind of like basically putting something out there to the internet, which is you guys, you know, and then you kind of hold me accountable and keep tabs on me, and you just like, didn't you say you're gonna do that? Why isn't it done yet? You know, you guys kind of hold, you guys become my accountability buddies, but it won't be with everything, just be a few things, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so that's what I want to do this year. I want you guys to come in with me. We must go to restaurants. I want to throw away, cannot throw away, like donate, sell some of my clothes, also donate some of I'm scared of bugs. Oh my god. Okay. Mission accomplished. We just killed the bug. Oh, I was saying that I want to build a new wardrobe this year. So that means I have to get rid of a lot of my clothes. This is some of the clothes that I've had since like childhood, you know, and they're still in good condition. Also, you guys must know I don't grow. I'm a very small human being. So clothes that used to fit me when I was 16, they still fit me now as an adult of 26 years old. That's just how it works. I haven't really grown much, but I'm like literally, but obviously I've grown as a person. And you guys, you know, we must go shopping together. We must go to restaurants, go try out new restaurants. But besides all of that, Miss Luna is dry. That's one thing I can tell you. Miss Luna is dry. She needs to be moisturized. So what I'm gonna do is gonna go in the shower. I'm gonna go like this under the shower head and just drench my hair in water, and then I'm gonna come out. I'm going to moisturize, and I'm going to put it up in 6 big chunky 3-strand braids and be done. Tomorrow I'm gonna undo them and wear my hair out again. I don't know if that's going to be effective, but we are going to try it. It's either that, or I'm going to put this hair up into normal small twists that you guys know that I do, and then stick with that for like 2 weeks, and then have my wash day, actually 1 week, because my wash day is coming soon. Have my wash day, and yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying the content that I've been creating. I'm trying to zhuzh it up a bit. You guys must say in the comment section if you are okay with it, if you're not, which is the other thing we are doing this year. I'm going to be open with you guys. I'm going to ask you guys to, you know, have an input in certain things that I do. So we're going to be friends this year, okay? Consider, if you're subscribed, consider yourself my friend. So I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Don't want to make it too long. It is just a chit chat anyway. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys liked this. Definitely didn't plan to record, but I missed you guys, and I just wanted to, you know, just say hi. It's Sunday evening. Why am I working on a Sunday evening? I don't know, but that's that. I will see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.